Hello, welcome back. Today I am gonna show you these new features in recent Windows 11 updates that will help you customize your PC, increase security, and get more creative with Windows. Let's start. Create folders for your apps and start. Keep what's important close by grouping your pinned apps into folders. Select and drag one app onto another to create a folder. Make videos in minutes. The Clipchamp video editor empowers anyone to make amazing videos. Clipchamp is the built-in video editor for Windows 11. It has many templates you can choose to make your video. Once you finish creating your video, you can easily download, share or upload it directly on YouTube and other social media. Customize your Start menu layout. See the world on your desktop. Set Windows Spotlight as your background to get a new wallpaper every few days and see fun facts about the photos. Snipping tool automatically saves your screenshots. Take a snapshot to copy words or images from all or part of your PC screen. Use snipping tool to make changes or notes, then save and share. All your Notepad files are in one window. If you have multiple files open in Notepad, tabs keep them all in one window. New energy efficient settings from one place. This new feature will help lower your PC's carbon footprint. To get started, go to Energy Recommendations and Settings. Back up your PC to protect important info. From your apps and settings to your files and passwords, you can back up your info in just a few easy steps. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.